Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. Now, crude oil over the past couple of trading sessions has continued to break down lower here. This was one of my fears here for this crude oil trade, that we would go and potentially try and attempt to close this gap here. And I thought that we kind of got away with it. Just because there's a gap, it doesn't mean that we necessarily have to go and close it straight away. I've seen events in the market where we haven't closed gaps in over 6 months. But it looks to me that we are still going to try and attempt to close this gap. That would indicate a move down towards maybe $76 a barrel. Some would argue that we may have already closed it, with the swing lows being at around $76.67. So it's going to be very interesting to see what does occur here in the crude oil markets. But I actually see this as a good buying opportunity, providing that you have your stop loss below the swing highs that we achieved back on the 31st of March. So if we did go and close that gap, which may not potentially happen, then that stop loss being just below that area does keep you covered. And I would definitely be targeting up towards a 200-day EMA. So I think there is a good trade here, where you could potentially be a buyer at this current price level. You have a stop loss around $75. We take profit at around the 200-day EMA, which is around just shy of $82, and that gives you pretty much a good 2-for-1 risk-reward ratio. So there's definitely opportunities in this market. If crude oil was to break below, let's say, $75 a barrel, then all of a sudden we could potentially be heading down towards $70. So that would be very bearish. But with all of the positive fundamentals in the crude oil market at this moment in time, I do believe that buyers would be tempted to hop in here and take this market higher, back towards the range that we found ourselves trading in this time last week. So if you'd like to join my Signal team and copy my current trade that we have open here in the crude oil markets, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. It will take you to my website where you can sign up for a very small fee of $29.